student. My today's topic quadratic equation. It is related to chapter number 5. We are also takes the value quadratic equation by the completing the square and factorization method. Today's I will start by formula. First we write down the formula. We are taking given quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and formula that is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We know that a with the coefficient of x square, b with the coefficient of x, c with the constant terms. But we are using the formula, we check the discriminate. Also we write down d. Also we write down b square minus 4ac. We are checking condition if b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Then we write down roots are real. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then we write down roots are real and equal. And third, we looking carefully, b square minus 4ac less than 0. So roots are not real, or also we can say roots are imaginary, are not real. In this case, we cannot find out, we cannot apply formula, because b square minus 4ac less than 0 means it is the negative value. So putting the negative value here, we taking square root, that is the not possible terms, or we get an imaginary number. So image number is also called the not real. So we are calculate or apply the formula only in case of first and seconds. So first we check out, discriminate, then apply the formula. We are taking a question 2x square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. This is the given equation, quadratic equation. So we get a equal to 2, b equal to 3 and c equal to 5. We know that the a be the value of coefficient of x square, b be the value of coefficient of x, or c be the constant term. Looking here a, b, c. So first we check out b, d, that is b square minus 4ac. So put the value of b, that is 3 square, 4 into a into c. We look here 9 minus 4 8 are 4 2 is 8, 8 5 is 14. So we get minus 31. Students, look here, negative value we can say it is the less than 0. So we write down b square minus 4ac less than 0. We are taking third case. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, write down roots are not real. We cannot apply quadratic formula. So these questions, these stop here. But in case of first and second, we apply the formula. We are taking another questions. We are taking 7x square plus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. So first we check out, then apply the formula. So we are taking a equal to 7, b equal to 3 and c equal to minus 6. So find out d. d means b square minus 4ac. So b square 3 square minus 4a 7, and this is the minus 6 here. So 3 square, that is 9, 3 into 3, and minus that is plus here. 4 7 are 28 and 28 6 are 6 8 are 48, or 6 2 are 12, 12 plus 16, that is 177. We know that 177 is greater than 0. So this is the case of first. So roots are real. Then student, we apply the formula here. So x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So put the value of b, that is minus 3 plus minus. We already find out b square minus 4ac, that is equal to 177. Square root 177 upon 2. 2 into a, that is 7. So x equal to minus 3 plus minus square root 177 upon by 14. We get an answers. So students, we apply in case first and second the formula only, otherwise not. X square here we are taking another problem, x square minus 4x and minus 16 equal to 0. So we are taking a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to minus 16. So students, look here, we checking b square minus 4ac, discriminant. B square minus 4 square minus 4a and minus 16. So 16 plus minus 64, that is 80. So which is the greater than 0? So apply the formula x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus b, value b here, that is minus 4 and plus minus square root 80 upon में 2a, a becomes 1. So 4 plus minus root 80 upon में 2. Also we write down here 4 plus minus factorization of 80, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 5 is the 80. So we common, that is 4 plus minus 4 square root 5 upon by 2. 2 also common, 2 plus minus 2 root 5 upon by 2, 2 consider. So we get an answer 2 plus minus 2 root 5. At last we given some homework. Apply quadratic formula. Find the value of x for question number 1. X square plus 8x minus 7 equal to 0. Question number 2. 3x square minus 5x minus 12 equal to 0. Question number 3. 2x square minus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. Question number 4. X square minus 8x plus 16. Minus 16 here. So student, try these questions. If any problem, you contact me. Thanks a lot.